Tunkhannock, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tunkhannock, Springville, Dimmock, Factoryville, Mahoopany, Nicholson, Meshoppen, Forkston, Lassaville, and Hop Bottom. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station WNG 705 in Honesdale on a frequency of 162.450 megahertz. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Binghamton and serves the Poconos of Northeast Pennsylvania and Sullivan County, New York. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has...
Okay, that came in out of nowhere.